Welcome to your yoga Nidra. My name is Shelly with Empath Mountain Yoga. This is your yoga Nidra as a part of the 30 days of yoga for day 19. This is meant to reset your nervous system, and you might imagine this process like a full body massage for your brain and the entire peripheral nervous system, combined with a full body acupuncture treatment. This is meant to bring you into the deepest state of rest and relaxation. Let yourself come to rest in your warm and cozy space. Gather everything you need to get cozy and comfortable, maybe a blanket or a pillow, maybe an eye cover for a calm and peaceful space, allowing your body to be held here. Calling on the intention to rest, the intention to relax, and allow your humanness if you need to wiggle or move your body in one direction or the other. Know that this is okay. Just allowing yourself to feel held, to know that you are safe here and you are supported as you call on bringing awareness to the top of the scalp and noticing the top of the scalp and any tension or tightness that you may have collected in your scalp. Can you exhale and soften your scalp down towards the mat, down towards your mattress, allowing the forehead to soften, removing any wrinkles or tightness that you might be holding in the forehead along the temple line, softening back down, relaxing through the fronts of the ears, the middle of the ears, and the back of the ears, welcoming a heaviness over the eyelids that even if you wanted to open your eyelids, you couldn't because they were so deeply relaxed, so heavy, so ready for relaxation. Calling on a softening towards the jaw as you notice any tension or tightness that you may have been collecting in your jaw area. Can you perhaps tense and clench your jaw? Hold your breath in and release it down. Beautiful. Licking the lips, perhaps licking the front of the teeth, running the tip of your tongue along the back of the top of the teeth, and then tracing through the bottom of the teeth. Relaxing through the mouth, softening the tongue and relaxing. Noticing any tension or tightness in the jaw and letting it go, the sense of soft and a subtleness. Noticing the front of your throat, back of the neck. Noticing any tension or tightness that you are holding in this space. With your next inhale, soften and let it go. Allowing a soft and a subtle wave that runs down the front of the throat to the chest. Noticing the front of the heart, the front of the shoulders, and the upper chest area. Noticing if your breath is short and shallow, giving yourself permission to take a lovely deep breath through your nostrils. And exhale, sigh the breath out. Beautiful. Allowing the body to rest down towards the mat and the shoulders. And once again, breathing in a lovely lengthened inhale in through the heart. Filling and puffing up your upper chest inside out. Lovely. One more of those cleansing breaths where you deepen the inhalation. Exhale, let it go and relax. sigh of relief, allowing the shoulders and the back to relax, and taking a scan and noticing any tension or tightness in your upper shoulders and upper back, in the biceps of the arms. Exhale, softening down with your exhalation, allowing this body scan to trace down to the elbows, noticing the elbows, the bends of the inner elbows, tracing through the forearms, all the way to the fronts and the sides and the back as you trace down to the wrists, the palms of the hands, tracing an awareness through the thumbs, the first finger, the middle, the ring and the pinky, softening through the palms, through each finger pad, through the tops of the hands, truly relaxing any muscular effort from the hands to the muscles in the arms, really allowing the bones to lay heavy from the shoulders to the arms and the fingers, bringing an awareness scan that spirals back up through the heart, and just taking a moment to acknowledge and notice your heart. Perhaps you can feel the physical nature of your heart. Maybe you can feel the sensations as the thump, 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 thump. Perhaps you can feel that magnetic pulse through the hands, through the heart, and taking a notice of the physical and the energetic heart. As you just notice, bringing a wave of soft and subtle nature down through the spine, from the top of the neck, that gently waves and relaxes down each vertebrae, and just bringing your awareness to any sensations throughout the spine, any physical pain or discomfort, and truly allowing your human nature at any time throughout this yoga nidra for any movement. And if laying on your back at any point is not feeling what is right for you, and you would like to take a restorative posture, feel free to do so at your own pace. With the awareness scan, allowing your awareness to the front of the navel, just noticing the stomach and the torso and the lower body of the torso. Noticing any tension or tightness or physical discomfort, and just holding space here as we call on a wave of relaxation that washes down through the belly, softening down through a noticing of the hips, the pelvic wall, noticing your genitalia, noticing your bottom and your sit bones. And perhaps if you notice any tension or tightness, can you clench through the pelvic wall and the buttocks and squeeze, and exhale, relax. And maybe one more of those where you squeeze and clench the buttocks and the pelvic wall. Exhale it down as you deepen your relaxation. Going deeper into relaxation, spiraling down through the thighs and the fronts of the thighs and the sides, noticing the backs of the hamstrings, allowing a wave of relaxation that heavies through the knees, creating a soft and a subtle nature that softens through the back of the knees, softly and subtly relaxing through the shins and the calves, allowing a gentle wave of relaxation that washes down through the ankles, softening through the heels, taking a trace along the sole of the foot on the left, tracing through the arch, through the front toe pad, through each of the 5 toes, the pointer and the big toe to the middle, the ring and the pinky toe, And now tracing to the foot on the right, to the heel, tracing in awareness through the arch, through the pad of the foot, through the front toe pad and the big toe, to the pointer, to the middle, to the ring, and to the pinky toe, allowing a soft and a subtle nature that relaxes down through the feet, bringing your awareness through a somersault from the feet that spirals up through the ankles, through the shins, taking your relaxation even deeper into the calves, allowing your body to feel held, letting go of any muscular effort through the legs, truly relaxing through the legs and the bottom, allowing a soft and a subtle wave that streams through your belly and the shoulders, allowing a wave that washes through, softening and opening up your heart, softening through the throat, the back of the neck, softening the face, relaxing through the forehead and the scalp, allowing your awareness to scan to your breath as you allow an inhale that radiates and enters through the nostrils. Follow the breath that comes down through the throat into the heart, filling up the belly, and exhale with a sigh of relaxation. Lovely. Welcoming an awareness that comes through the nostrils, allowing the breath to fill up the body with prana through the heart, the lungs, the diaphragm, and all the way to the belly. And exhale, allowing relaxation to be your current state as you go deeper and deeper, allowing your body to feel held and supported, knowing you are safe here, that this is your safe space to rest, to restore, to replenish, to recharge your batteries, allowing your heart to be the center focus of your awareness, and taking a moment to imagine a spotlight shining down on your heart like a warm, gentle, glowing ray of sunshine, warming up, bringing healing energy into your anahata, your spiritual heart, truly allowing your heart center to be open to love, to be open to receiving love, to be open to healing, to be kind and compassionate to this space. As you imagine that warm beam of sun illuminating through the front of your heart, lighting it up like a glowworm from the front and the back of your heart. And just coming back into the body here, you can take a full body stretch with me as you reach the arms long above the head, and then hug the knees up to your chest. You can gently roll onto a side if that feels good for you, with a hand under the arm, under the head like a pillow, and you can receive these affirmations. I love you. I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am deeply relaxed. I am deeply relaxed. I am deeply relaxed. Hugging your body in and giving yourself permission to feel all this rest and relaxation. And you can either stay laying or you can meet in a seated position if you have other things on your agenda. Bringing those palms, kissing palms to your heart, and really just awakening this sense of healing nature within you. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste. I wish you a lovely, peaceful, and restful night's sleep. Good night, my lovely friend.